Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix the failed to load Onlinefix64.dll error code 126. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, I've got easy steps to solve it. First, you need to understand the error. So this error typically appears when the Onlinefix64.dll file is missing or corrupted. And it can occur when trying to launch certain programs or games, causing error code 126. So don't worry, we'll fix it quickly. First, you can reboot your computer. So sometimes a simple reboot can resolve the DLL errors as it refreshes the system and clears temporary files that may be causing the issue. So just click on this Windows button, tap on the power button and tap on restart. And second method, you can run the system file checker or SFC scan. You can just press on the Windows key and type in command prompt here, this one. And then you can just run it as administrator. And in the command prompt, you can just type on sfc/